I'll show you in the quick way how you can update your address on SHEIN. So from SHEIN here, you just have to go to your profile up here, and on your profile, just click on My Profile there. Now on My Profile here, you want to go to Address Book. Now on address book, it depends on what kind of update you want to do. If you want to just adjust your current address, for example, here I have an address here under example pinned. If I want to adjust, for example, if I made a typo, I can just click on edit and then change whatever typo I fix. Or if I change address but not too far, I can also just change it from here. So for example, here if I want to change my name from example Donnet to example Perry, for example, you just have to delete this and then put in your new name, Barry. If you want to change your phone number, of course you can do that as well. Change your address line, you can do that as well. Change your Florida, change your city, change your state, your zip code, things like that, and then just click on save. That's editing it, right? But if you want to make a new address, just click on this, add new address, fill out all your details, and then you're good. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.